Yeah, looking into the state of Compas right now, just the way the game is, the way the game is structured or unstructured, and just to see the people who are involved or people who control it to an extent, right? What do you think needs to happen for what they call the industry to go to the next level? I think musically now Compas has, proven that it has its own identity. But now it's really to get to the next level where it becomes profitable. Au niveau de l'argent, et on a parlé de l'argent, on va parler des petits corps. À côté, un artiste Compas pas obligé à jouer chaque semaine. Just this is the only way to keep up or to kind of to make money. And what do you think needs to happen?
Well, like I'm saying is, it's just that people like you and the new generation has to take over, because actually it's going on 60 years and stay the same way. Stay at the same place. It haven't been moving, going anywhere. So that has to prove you the people that so-called, controlling the industry. It's just they're not doing the job that they're supposed to do. Maybe they're just satisfied doing something, or keep it local, or keep it national, or whatever you want to call it, and maybe they're satisfied. So, like you were saying, in musically, it's just like, the musicians, they do the jobs because they've been writing good songs, especially this generation for the past 2 decades. There's been, hits after hits. So it's just like, we gotta evolve. The new generation has to take over, because, hey, if not,
it's just gonna stay
where it is. But me personally, it's just like I don't want to see it stay where it is. Just like new generation, your concept. We need the new concept, new strategy, new visions. So that's what it is.
The difficulty for the younger generation to get involved sometimes it's very challenging, because the main actors, people who've been doing it for so long, they make it very difficult for somebody new to come in, right? And not alone somebody young, right? They always feel like you don't know enough about the history of it, so they don't trust you enough. So my thing is, what do you think these people should, what would you say to these people who making it so difficult for people like me to come in and help?
Well, this generation is very smart. They like Bob Marley said, man, it's just like it takes a revolution to make a solution. So, on connaît, mon yo pa jamais fò cadeau, surtout nèg qui là qu'on a soit des égoïstes, même les pas ka font bagay, on l'autre monde et qui ka fait le pas qui fait. Parce que génération ça, ils ont plus bonne chance pour mener nous plus haut, parce que ils formé. Parce que femme tout bien, nous pas des qui registrent avec. They got to promote, or when something about going to do, they got just do this manager, or when some do like I just pas même go idée de ça que manager. So it's just that, man. Tout le temps que nous pas gen monde qui formé comme si m'dado qui connaît qualifié pour ça le domaine. So pense que génération ça, listen, tout bagage changer. Quitte yo vle, quitte yo pas vle, on s'amdo li pas ka même moun yo tout temps l'ordre.
Exactly. So this is exactly what's happening right now. You can see even in the music the influence of the young Haitian American, and the music has been so surreal, because the parties now only young Haitian Americans, we don't want to go to these parties for the most part, right? And then also you're looking at we're in the hood right now, Couleur.
I can tell.
You're in the hood right now.
Yeah.
So, it's just like everything at every level right now. You just need the involvement of the young Haitian American, and that's where I come in. I created HMI Buzz because make it right.
Right?
Yeah. I created HMI Buzz because I wanted. I see what was happening. We could find a park somewhere. I see what was happening, right? And I was like, you know what?
What part? Anywhere?
Yeah, we could park anywhere. We could right
Here?
Yeah,
Okay.
on the side over here. I see what was happening. And I was like, you know what, I have to do something. I find out, you know, creating my own platform, having a platform to really tell the true story of the HMI, that was the most important thing. So that's what I've been focusing on doing, right? So now, because everything is about history, so if the documentation of the stories are not done properly, then we don't have history. We'll continue soon.
No problem, we're gonna do that.
Different shoes and different shirt. I still like the idea of spring. You have another sweater. You want to sport, you can do that.
Do you have something red?
Red?
What about blue?
I think red sweater. I could do like yellow.
Yeah, yellow is good.
Yellow is good.
Food.
Yeah, man.
Get that for me.